I'm not gonna be defeated with the sweet potato pie biscuits. So I got the rolling pin this time, and I got my mat, and this time we're going to be using honey butter Pillsbury Grants biscuits. I also have the sweet Hawaiian in there. I might use that next time, but I saw the honey butter, honey, sweet potatoes, butter, sounds good. Got a little flour here because I'm actually going to try to roll out the dough. I don't like rolling out dough, but I want to get more filling in this. My sister ate one of the pies from yesterday. She's like, it's good, but it needs more filling. It's like, yeah, no, I told you that. I just need to get confirmation that you agree. Oof. My little brother, I don't know if he ate one yet or not. Sometimes he can just be an old soul. Okay. My sister did give me another idea. She said, why not put 2 biscuits together? And I'll try that, but I want to try to roll out one first. And if I don't like it, I'll put 2 together. I need to put more flour down so it doesn't stick. This is already bigger than what I hand pressed out yesterday. So before I go further, I should have had it out. Let me get my spoon and the batter. Let's get the spoon and let's see if we can get more filling in here. Maybe roll it that way. And what I learned yesterday is I didn't need the water to seal here. When I crimped them with the fork on both sides, none of the batter oozed out while it was baking. So let's stick with what works. So I'll move the hand pies over once they're prepped. So far, so good. Just gotta stop being so lazy. And it didn't take much longer with the rolling pin than it did when I hand pressed them out. So rolling pin it is. Here they are. I'm gonna bake them for 13 minutes today, because yesterday I baked them at 14 and the bottoms were a little too brown. They weren't burnt and it didn't taste too brown or burnt or anything, but you know, appearance. And I don't know about this flour on top. Should I do an egg wash or some butter on it while it's baking? I think I'm gonna try using the brush. I'm gonna try brush some of the excess flour off. That's working. I probably need to do the other side too. I just don't know with having all that excess flour if that would burn or do something to the pies. Baking can be messy. 350 degrees for 13 minutes. Now I'm gonna clean up my mess. I'll be back when they're ready. Here they are. I still baked them close to 14 minutes because I had to put them up top to brown a little bit. Didn't brown as much as I wanted on the top, but the bottoms did. And a few of them, you can see I lost some of the filling. Well, not really lost, but it's starting to ooze out a little bit. But these are a lot thicker than the other ones, so I know I have more filling in these than I did the first batch. So now I have my tablespoon of unsalted butter, just brushing on the top. And what I did, shake off that excess flour on all of them. There still was a little bit of flour left in the ridges, I see. So I'm going to make sure I get butter over those. So last of the butter. I did wash my brush out, this yellow brush, before I put the butter in there to use it. And I dried it off too. Here's my McCormick cinnamon sugar. Shake it up a little bit. And I'm going to pour some in my hand and try to sprinkle it over that way. Not much better than when I just sprinkled out of the container, huh? How do you guys put your sugar topping on any of your baked goods? Because this kind of looks like it's burnt on top, but it's not. But if anyone didn't know what it was, that's what they would think. And that's the second batch of them. You can tell there's more filling and they're bigger. So using a rolling pin is the way to go. I gotta let these cool a little bit before I take a taste test. I'm gonna do a taste test. It's still warm. And it tastes like a warm piece of sweet potato pie. Feelings all through there. Rolling them out with the rolling pin is the way to go. I'm a lazy cook, lazy baker. But I have learned my lesson. Can't hand press them, you need to roll them out. Every bite I've taken has sweet potato pie in it. Man. I don't know, family. I kind of like this better than the sweet potato pie. Might be on to something. If you live near Bojangles, I know they used to sell sweet potato pies. You know, like when you go to McDonald's, had that fried apple pie. Well, Bojangles had a fried sweet potato pie. I never ate them. Didn't think I would like them, but I like these. Wow. And I don't know if there's any difference between, yesterday I had butter tasting. This is a honey butter Pillsbury biscuit. Don't really taste any difference, except I have filling all over. Give me a like, leave a comment. What filling do you put when you make hand pies? Apple, cherry, blueberry, rhubarb, blackberry, sweet potato pie, pumpkin pie? Let me know. I might want to try it out myself. So, subscribe to the channel. I would love to get to 500 subscribers by Christmas. That would be my Christmas present. Thanks so much for coming along with me today, family. Part 2 of the hand pie mini pie, sweet potato pie style, was a hit. This is the way to make it. You gotta roll them out with the rolling pin. Or if you know a different way that I can get them rolled out as big as I did, please let me know. Leave that in the comments. Till the next video, family. All the best to you and yours. Bye for now.